Hi everyone, here we've got TCL 20 SE and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app, and now we can focus on the settings which are in the left upper corner. So let's tap on them, and on the second position in the video section we've got a video quality option. So let's tap on it, and as you can see here we've got 3 different options from which we can choose. Right now we've got a 1080p option applied with 30 frames per second, and it is 16:9. This is the ratio. But we can set also 720p with actually the same parameters for the ratio and frames per second, and 480p with 4:3 ratio and 30 frames per second. So it is up to you which option you'd like to use. All you have to do in order to change it is to tap on the option you'd like to set. So I will pick, for example, 720p, and as you can see it is immediately notified right here. So it means that from now on your device will use the chosen resolution and will record videos in it. But I highly recommend to keep this first option applied, because this is the best possible here. So actually that's all. This is how to change video resolution in your TCL 20 SE. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.